welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Sephora haul. I am so excited to be doing this because I actually received this package, I want to say like 2 or 3 days ago, and I've been waiting until I was on camera so that I can open it with you guys and show you guys exactly what I purchased. I do want to share what I purchased because I'm so excited. So I'm going to start off with some items that I repurchased. I didn't get that much stuff, but I definitely am excited to share all that I did get. So the first item I want to talk about is my Clove Spray. I did mention this in my recommendations and shopping cart. This is legit one of my all-time favorite skincare items that is just so essential for me. I use this every morning after I wash my face. I spray this to hydrate and soothe my skin. It does really well with my sensitive skin. And then I go in with my SPF and my moisturizer. So this has been a step in my life for, I want to say, the past 3 or 4 years. I cannot live without this Clove Great Water Spray. It is literally life changing. I've gone through so many bottles. Every time the sale comes, I restock. I also appreciate the fact that it's not that expensive. It's only $18 for this big guy. It's 6.7 ounces in here. Oh, I forgot to mention before we continue, all the products will be listed down below in my description box. Also, in case you're wondering what is on this face, it will be down below in the description box, and you can find a tutorial on how I created this face on Instagram. So follow me, Themexicanbeautyy. I have an IGTV tutorial. Okay, so the next item I purchased was this Sephora roller set. So I told you guys this is $10, and I was like, I really want to get like the little roller set because I feel like it's perfect for like on the go, traveling, also like for at home. I rather have small things than large things. I don't know, I just like small little cute things on my vanity. And then it comes with this little case, so if you do travel or spend the night somewhere else besides your home, you can put it in here and it'll be good to go. So it comes with the face roller. The smooth aluminum roller is to help the appearance of puffiness, and the silicone one is good for massaging the skin, can be used alone or with oils and creams for better absorption. So this is for puffiness, and it probably feels really good. I don't want to, hey, let me draw my neck. Ooh, yeah, it's like super cooling. I find that on the days where I eat like salty foods, like the next morning, I'm really puffy. So I have to like depuff. So this is perfect for depuffing. And I also like the fact that it's pink. You guys know that I'm just a pink queen. So anything pink for me is like, yes. And then it has the other one, which, am I gonna be able to get out? Here we go. I'm gonna be able to get this out. Okay, so this one is the silicone one, which is great for massaging oils or creams. So I'm really excited about this one too. Ooh, yes, this will be really good to kind of like make sure everything melts in, because it does have like these like rubbery like spikes in there. So I feel like everything will really go into the skin. This item I had to get this. When I saw this, I was like, I need this. So this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. You guys know that I'm a big fan of the Luminous Dewy Skin Cream. This is one of my favorites, especially if you do have very dry skin. I have very dry cheeks, so this has been working great. I feel like it's very hit or miss. It's a very thick consistency, rich cream. So if you don't like thick products on your face, you probably won't like this, but on my skin, like the rosy, super dry cheeks, like it just melts right in. So I'm like, I need this mask, especially with all the time that we're spending at home. I feel like it's the perfect time to really treat your skin. I feel like there's nothing like a nice luxury Tatcha mask to do the job. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna put this on my face and then take this little roller and just like roll on the face and let it cool the face down. So I don't know when I'm gonna do this one. Maybe I'll actually do a makeup tutorial and I'll try this on first and then I'll carry on. But I just wanted to treat myself with something a little bit more pricier when it came to face masks, because I mean this one wasn't that cheap, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, the next product I got was something that I was really looking into. I was trying to find a good hair mask for my hair. You guys know that I am in the process of growing out my hair, and this, finally we're at a state where this is like my natural hair. So I don't have to wear my long ass extensions anymore. My hair is growing and it's getting places, and I'm so excited. I definitely want to continue growing it out because I want it to be super long like how I used to have it in high school. I know I'm gonna have to do a trim soon, but that's okay. But I want to take as much care of it as I possibly can right now. So I was really looking at all the masks on Sephora.com, but I was actually watching one of Taisha's videos, which you guys should follow Taisha. She is so beautiful and she gives the best reviews and recommendations when it comes to beauty and lifestyle. So Definitely recommend her. I will have her video linked down below. But she mentioned this Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask, and she has beautiful hair. And she said how great it works on her hair and how it makes, you know, blow drying it and doing all that fun jazz to it so much easier when you do use this mask. So I'm really excited. Yes, I love the smell. I feel like some people don't like it. It may be too strong for them, but this smell just makes me think of like just leaving the hair salon with like really beautiful hair. So I'm so excited. I'm definitely on the process and journey right now, where especially right now that we're at home, I'm just all about taking care of my hair. I've been doing a bunch of like hair treatments. I've been doing deep conditioners. I've been taking all my vitamins so my hair can grow super fast. I feel like right now is the time to really nourish all the areas of our body that perhaps we neglect when we're just on a super everyday fast-paced life. Next up, I did it. I finally did it, guys. I literally was going back and forth, but it got to a point where I was like, I need this palette. I'm so excited. So this is the Artist Couture Supreme Nudes palette. I am literally so excited. I actually convinced my sister to buy it, and she purchased it and she got her order before mine. And I was like, send me a picture of your palette because I need to see that. And I was like, oh, it looks so beautiful. So this is what it looks like. So it's actually super sleek. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more like chunkier, but it's actually, oh my God, I love this. Look at that, look how sleek that is. Like this is perfect for every day, for your vanity, for traveling, all that fun stuff. Like this is the palette that I live for. And I think the palette's now sold out on Sephora. So, I mean, you snooze, you lose with that one. But oh my God, this palette is so beautiful. Look at that. Don't worry guys, I will be doing a tutorial, not necessarily just on this palette, but like on the things that I purchased, trying them out. But like, can we just talk about, this is literally the perfect palette for every day, for evening looks. I mean, if you're somebody that likes more so neutrals and nudes, this is the palette you need. You will not need anything else. And now looking at like just the packaging and everything, this is so well made. Like, wow. I feel like even the pictures online don't do it justice as when you get it in person and you're like, this is literally so chic. That is stunning. Okay, we are gonna have some fun with this palette. I am so excited. We're gonna move on to another one that I repurchased, and that is my Precisely My Brow by Benefit. You guys know that this is my favorite brow pencil of all time. Did they send me? Oh my gosh, I literally got so scared. I thought I saw 3 on here instead of 5. Whew, that freaked me out. Okay, so I got the one in number 5. I always get the one in number 5. It literally matches my eyebrows to perfection. Right now I am wearing the Ka-Brow, which is actually like the pomade version of it. So it's this one right here, and I've been using this a lot lately, and I actually really like how it does my brows. Definitely makes them a little bit more bold than I'm used to. But I think when I want that more bold brow, when I'm doing more so of a full face of makeup, I think I can get away with this very easily. But for every day, this is like my holy grail. The Benefit Precisely My Brow is legit everything. It is the perfect brow pencil. You guys always ask me like, what do you use on your brows? Your brows are my favorite. This baby. And if you guys are on a budget, Precision Brow Pencil by Kokie Cosmetics in Warm Brown is my favorite drugstore one of all time. It's comparable to this. The only thing that sucks about my Kokie one is that it doesn't have a spoolie, which I hope that they add that. Kokie, think about it. Because I think it would make like literally be exact dupe for this. Okay, the next product that I got is the Beauty Blender Concealer. This one is the Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. I'm really excited to try this out. This is actually my first time trying this one out. Let me see if I got the right shade. Okay, yeah, this is typically, I think. I got 340 Warm Medium Peach. Let me see. Oh, actually, this is good. This is good. You guys can see it there. I like a bright under eye, so let's see. Yeah, that's good. So I'll definitely be trying that out. The main reason I purchased this concealer, one, because it's new and I saw good reviews on it, but also because I want to do a Latina-owned makeup tutorial, an updated one. I did one about a year ago, so I want to do another updated one because I have discovered some more Latina-owned brands. So I wanted to use this as my concealer. So we have that. I'll be testing it in that video. But basically, it's supposed to be a longwear concealer, weightless, full coverage, and brightening and hydrating the skin, which I love a good full coverage concealer that brightens and hydrates. That's like the key to my heart when you're talking about a concealer. Okay, and the last product I got, which now we can throw this box away, woo, is the Summer Fridays lip balm. So I wasn't gonna purchase this, but you know when you're just kind of like caught up and you're looking at like your cart and you're like, I could spend a little bit more, you know, it's okay. And that was this purchase. I was never planning on purchasing this, but I have two good excuses. So the first one is everybody's raving about how amazing this is. I'm also looking for a new lip balm for like this area, this makeup area, because my Kopari one is literally empty almost. I have very little left. I use lip balm every single time I apply my makeup because it does a good job of keeping my lips moisturized and also making sure that foundation and all the makeup on my face stays away from my lips. I hate when foundation or anything that's makeup related goes on my lips. Like I like to keep my lips free of all that stuff. So this has been my go-to. I really love this one, but I kind of wanted to try something new. So I was like, why not try this one? Everybody's raving about it. It's very new. Let's see what this is about. So this one was not cheap. I want to say it was like 20 bucks. So, I mean, I'm hopeful that it's really good. It's supposed to be a silky lip mask that hydrates and soothes parched lips within seconds. Another thing I do want to mention, which is so weird, my lips have always been pretty good when it comes to hydration. I don't really suffer from chapped lips, but I want to say this past year, my lips have been really chapped and it's kind of like freaking me out. And I literally scrub them and everything with the exfoliator for the lips and all that, and it's not working. And I drink so much water. So, I mean, it's not that either. I just don't know what it is. Maybe it was like the weird winter or something. This one is also vegan and cruelty-free, artificial fragrance-free, and it's free of sulfates. So I'm excited. And this is what it looks like. I'm not the biggest fan of this tube. Like I feel like this kind of looks a little not up my alley, but I get the aesthetic. You know, it's the brand aesthetic. I prefer something like this, where like I can literally go like that. I feel like with this, I'm gonna have to take it on my finger and then apply it, and I don't know, I just feel like it may be a little annoying, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see how this goes. So hopefully I like it, but I just feel like if I'm paying $22, I need to get some better applicator at the top. I mean, this I don't mind too much because it's the same thing as this, but I just wish that it had a prettier applicator. Pretty much all the stuff that I got, guys. Obviously it's not that much, but once you do the math and once you add a bunch of shit to your carts, it adds up. So just be mindful of that, because all this little stuff definitely added up, but I have no regrets in any of the things that I purchased. I'm really excited to try some new products. I'm really excited to restock on some things that I really needed, like this. This is like, it's been a few days since I haven't used this because my other one ran out literally like 4 days ago. So I've been keeping this package over here to show you guys first. That shows how loyal I am, that I literally was like, let me just wait until I'm done filming. So now that I'm done filming, I can go ahead and open this baby and start using it every morning, because this really is like the shiz for me. So I may do a video on me applying the products that I purchased during the Sephora sale on my face and testing them out. Maybe a testing new high-end makeup out. So stay tuned for that. Let me know if you guys have shopped the Sephora sale. I do have my recommendations video, my shopping cart video, which I will have linked up here and also down below in my description box in case you guys haven't checked that out. And in case you don't know, there is a Sephora sale going on right now, so make sure you do your shopping because you don't want to miss this. You get a discount, and who doesn't love a discount? A Sephora discount doesn't come that often. So, I mean, let me know what you guys got. I may research, do what I gotta do, and do a little bit more shopping. Who knows? I'm in that kind of mood right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around and become a member of me here on YouTube, because I have noticed now I can actually see, like whenever you guys comment, now I can actually see who is subscribed. And I'm kind of shocked that some of you guys aren't subscribed and you guys watch my videos often. So make sure that if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It really helps me out tremendously, and it's gonna help us get to 50,000 subscribers this year, which is one of my biggest goals for the year. So please, 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 if you haven't done so already and you look down and you see that it still says subscribe and you've been here for a while, go ahead and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video, because I mean, I got you guys covered all the way through. So do those two things and you guys will be ready to be a part of the fam. So that being said, I love you guys so much. I hope that you guys are staying safe, and I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.